Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to talk about autocomplete GHL form address with Google Place API. Okay, so we already have this code snippet working, but from yesterday some of our users are getting problem and they said that the code snippet is not working. That's why I just checked everything and update the code, just a minor update, and now everything is working just fine. Okay, so let me show you how it's working now. Okay, so here is the address I'm just getting from Zillow. Okay, let me reload this page. Okay, loading. Yeah, also reload this one so that everything gets updated. Okay, so here let me put the information on the form. Let's say my name is James. Okay, and just trying to put something unique. Okay, James. Okay, these are the dummy information though. Okay, and now I'm going to add this address. Okay, I will try to find this address via the Google API. Okay, so you can see here, once I just put this information, it's showing me some address. Okay, let me select this one. Okay, so once I select it, and you can see here it's perfectly cached the address. Okay, just perfect. Okay, New Jersey, postal code, state, city, address, and everything. Okay, properly. And let me submit the form. Okay, and then I will see if the form capture the data and create the contract with all the information we provided. Okay, so yeah, here is the thank you page. Okay, that means the form submitted properly. Let me go back to the contract fields. Okay, and then reload. Okay, you can see the contract created successfully. Okay, let me open that contract and we will check if all the fields are captured properly. Okay, okay, the name, okay, the first name, last name, email address. Okay, then the address, city, country, state, zip code. Okay, so the everything is captured properly, so there are no confusion that the code snippet is not working. So if you need any help, or if you find that the code snippet is making issues on your implementation or on your page, then just feel free to write to our support, ghlsaaskits@gmail.com. Okay, we will help you to get the issue fixed. But it's very easy code snippet. All you just need to put into your page and replace you with your own Google Place API. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.